Hello students, good morning to all. Today I will explain rules for formation of image by concave lens and formation of image by concave lens in different cases. So please pay attention and watch this lecture very attentively. Student, in previous lecture I have explained rules for formation of image by convex lens. Now let's we start rules for formation of image by concave lens. This is the rule number first. If light ray from object is parallel to principal axis, then after refraction from concave lens, the ray appear to diverge from the principal focus located on the same side of the lens. This is the ray diagram you have to draw. This is the rule number first. अगर कोई लाइट रे प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल आ रही है तो वो फोकस से होते हुए डाइवर्ज होते हुए अपीयर होगी. नाउ रूल नंबर 2. व्हेन अ लाइट रे पासिंग थ्रू द प्रिंसिपल फोकस आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन फ्रॉम कॉनकेव लेंस विल इमर्ज पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. अगर कोई लाइट रे प्रिंसिपल फोकस पर आते हुए पास हो रही है तब रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद कॉनकेव लेंस के द्वारा जब रिफ्रैक्शन होगा तो ये लाइट रे रिफ्रैक्टेड लाइट रे प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल इमर्ज होगी. नाउ रूल नंबर 3. If light ray from the object passing through optical center of lens, अगर कोई लाइट रे ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास हो रही है आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन फ्रॉम कॉनकेव लेंस विल इमर्ज विदाउट एनी डेविएशन, तब रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद जो रिफ्रैक्टेड रे होगी वो बिना किसी डेविएशन के सीधे चली जाएगी. दिस इज द रूल नंबर 3. Student, in this way we can understand 3 rules of concave lens during the formation of image. Now student, next topic, formation of image by concave lens in different cases. concave lens के द्वारा जो इमेज का फॉर्मेशन होता है उसके डिफरेंट केस. नाउ केस नंबर फर्स्ट. when an object is placed at infinity, जब एक ऑब्जेक्ट इन्फिनिटी पे रखा है then there are 2 rays which are parallel to principal axis comes from the infinity. After refraction they appear to diverge from the focus f1 and both refracted ray intersect at focus appear to intersect at focus f1 and their image is formed. So student, the characteristics of image formed by concave lens, in this case image is formed at f1. This is the position of image. Nature of image virtual and direct, and size of image very diminished. Now case number 2. when an object is placed between infinity and optical center, then one incident ray goes parallel to principal axis and after refraction it appears to diverge from f1. Now second incident ray goes to the optical center, then after refraction it goes straight, then this both refracted ray appear to intersect between the F1 and O. Then here image is formed. So strand characteristics of image: first, position of image on the same side of the object, and position, both nature of image, virtual and erect, and size of image diminished. In this way you can understand the rules and formation of image by concave lens. Thank you for watching this lecture.